Man builds an underground survival bunker that can withstand the end of the world. Is this new? I feel like I've seen this before. At least that entryway. Or maybe all bunkers looked that way. Didn't Mr. Beast go here?
Really?
In a video? He went to a bunker that looked almost exactly like this.
This is where we host Lou later, right?
It's, no, we're further down than that. Oh, okay. A lot of those floors look identical. They look like hotel rooms. And then, what is it, waste at the very bottom down there?
Yeah, I'm guessing these are just like apartments.
Or maybe waste would be at the very top. It's an interesting thing to consider.
Because of the smell?
This person, Larry Hall, ex-government contractor, ready for anything. He is the proud creator of the survival condo underground bunker, capable of withstanding the end of the world. This is in Kansas, and if the apocalypse happens, he won't be bothered by it. Well, I guess it still depends on what type of apocalypse. It's just tough to really do much with it in the meantime. Yeah, this looks a lot like the place that Mr. Beast visited.
This is not bad.
It's not bad. You got to have fake windows made of displays.
Yeah.
So you don't really...
It seems like there's a lot of light.
Yeah, a lot of recessed lighting in the ceiling there. There's a rock climbing wall, ping pong, so different activities you can do. Some people are turned on by this idea. There's a subsect of people. I don't know, some kind of...
But I don't blame
survivalist element, and then being prepared or ready for anything, squirreling away your resources, self-sufficiency, and all these things. It's cool, no doubt. It's just, I think it's unfortunate you could put all this effort and energy into something that you may never get to utilize in the way it's intended. But who knows? There's a lot of things in life that are like that. That might be the definition of a man cave. The pool area looks a little liminal.
It does, eh? It does. Oh, wow.
Anyway.